In 1 minute, I will show you how to think like a physicist. So we have this situation where we basically have two stars in a system. Since we're dealing with a circular orbit, there's an equation that works for centripetal forces that says mass times velocity squared divided by the radius of the circle will give you the centripetal force. There is one problem with this equation though. Notice that we do not have the velocity. So the question we have to ask ourselves is, what is velocity? Well, velocity is displacement over time, and the displacement is going to be the entire distance of this circle. The circumference of a circle is 2 pi times the radius of the circle. We learned that in geometry. The time it takes to complete a circle is 1 period of motion. Now what I'm going to do with this velocity is I'm going to square it, and that will require me to square all of the numbers in this equation. And I can take this entire equation and substitute it in for the v squared we have up here. After substituting this equation, I can cancel one of the r's on bottom of the fraction with one of the r's on top of the fraction. I will end up with 4 pi squared times radius times mass divided by period of motion squared, and notice how these are all variables that we are given